Are you ready to build your first complete game? Let's do it! I've created a full Unreal Engine 5 blueprint course for beginners. Together, we built a real, moon-based survival game. Not a demo, not isolated mechanics, a complete project you can actually finish. Inspired by Planet Crafter, using similar survival and building mechanics, but implemented from scratch in Unreal Engine. You will start by creating a believable lunar environment, procedural landscapes, rocks, craters, lighting, day and night cycles with Earth hanging in the sky. Then we build what makes it playable. Selection and interaction, snapping buildings, doors, windows, interiors, spaces that are safe and spaces that are not. You will add harvesting with Niagara effects, resource generation and biomes, inventory and crafting systems, and survival stats that constantly push the player forward. We don't rush, we build systems step by step and test them as we go. You learn why systems work and how to extend them cleanly. If you are tired of unfinished projects and want to build something real in Unreal Engine, let's do it. Step by step, on the moon. You will find the course link with an instructor discount in the description below.